today is actually, I'm gonna go, yeah, yep, do you understand? Cool, let's do it. Okay, no, today I'm just going grocery shopping, and so I thought it'd be fun if you guys came with. And I've been getting into cooking a lot recently, and especially in the past month. I definitely was never a girl that was like, yes, like let's cook, let's bake. Like I was like, I know how to make avocado toast and that's it. We're teaching ourselves. If you guys want to come grocery shop with me, I'm trekking it to Whole Foods today because I'm just gonna take you throughout the day. I guess this is kind of like a what I eat in a day as well, just because it's all about food. It's a video all about food and what I've been loving to eat lately, and then we can go grocery shopping together and it's gonna be fun. Yay! I'm going to get ready for the day and then we're gonna make some breakfast. I did just have 2 cups of coffee, but well, they're like little cups. They're like itty bitty ones. Like I didn't even fill it up all the way. It's just good. Had that, crap ton of water. I'll show you what's never a bad idea. Oh! You saw nothing. You guys probably think I'm trying to be quirky for the video and I'm just a dumbass. Normally it's a lot more aesthetically pleasing, I feel like. Normally I have like actual greens that I put in here, but I just decided to put romaine lettuce in because that's all I really have left since I am going grocery shopping today. But then I decided like, that's not really it. And I like to have my eggs fried and so they're runny, and then I just mix that in with everything and it's really good. Like I like to have it dippy so I can have the dippy as like a sauce. I don't know if you guys say dippy or runny, but growing up we always said dippy eggs. I've been loving this for my breakfasts because this is just a lot of protein to start off my day and it makes me the perfect amount of full. I feel really energized after, especially if I work out in the morning. Having a crap ton of proteins after is perfect. I'm about to head out and I have recently been really obsessed with celery. I have had it like every day for the past month and I personally love it. There's something about it. And so I know it's kind of lame, but I'm gonna cut up some celery before I go, and I have this little to-go container and I just bring it everywhere with me because it's so good. Like I literally will just munch on them. I'll cut them up small and then I just like love the crunch and how they make me feel. And yeah, I don't know. Don't knock it till you try it. Yummy! Normally, I take more vitamins in the morning. This is just what I'm taking right now because I'm out of some of them. So I'm waiting for those to come. But this is some plant-based hair capsules which are helping grow my hair, which I just don't think hurts, and I've honestly kind of seen some results from that. So and they're vegan and they're awesome. And then I'll take like, I feel like just one of these if I can after I eat, and I just kind of got these too. So and then I filled up my water. I put some electrolytes in because there's these strawberry electrolytes I've been having lately and they just make me feel so good. Now we grab our celery and we go shopping right now. Oh, that's great. That's great. Oh, what the heck? Huh. Looks insane. Taking the celery and I'm getting that out of here. Just kidding. I'm so happy. I want to try everything. Not the barbecue chips. I love barbecue chips. I think it's just because I'm hungry. It's definitely lunchtime. You're not supposed to grocery shop when you're hungry, but here we are. I need to eat now. That looks so good. We're gonna try that. Oh my gosh, I need to chill. I'm cut off. This is making me a little bit too happy. What the fuck is this? This looks so good. I'm cut off. I'm literally cut off. First of all, I got my... That's my cup holder. I got my sparkling water, so we're all good. That's all we needed. That was the grocery haul, and now we leave. We got the celery and the sparkling water. I had a whole list written out. I don't even think I got half of the stuff on the list. I don't even know what happened in there. I don't even know if you guys saw that. I think I was videoing the whole time, but I genuinely, like, I blacked out and I got so excited at everything in there. So that's a health food store. It's called Down to Earth. I thought I was just gonna go in there to check it out and get a few things, and then I thought I was gonna go to Whole Foods. No. We're not doing that. You know what we're gonna do? We're gonna spend $420 on what? What did I get? I don't know. This isn't even like a proper what I eat in a day, because it's literally just gonna be me snacking on all of these like new vegan beef jerky chip combinations. I've never been happier though. That was the most unproductive thing I've ever done in my life, but that brought me so much genuine joy. Like, that was an investment in my mental health. So this video is now taking a different turn, and it's going to be taste testing new healthy snacks that I got from a health food store wow. So for the car ride back, what we're gonna try is the Think Bar chocolate peanut butter cookie dough bar, which sounds pretty good to me. It looks like this. It tastes like a chocolate Rice Krispie that's like melting in my mouth, but also has a little bit of crunch. Holy crap. That tastes like cookie dough. Next up, I saw this, and this is called Clean Cause. I got cherry lime flavor, which is not a flavor I would normally get. It's a sparkling yerba mate. The cause is 50% of the profits support addiction recovery, which is really, really cool. So we're gonna try this, and I really hope it's good, because I would love to send you all to support them, because that's actually a really cool cause. Guys, can we do this like once a week? Can we go to the store together and try shit like once a week together? Not to be annoying, but this does taste like a cherry. Like, if a cherry lime White Claw exists, it would probably taste like this. Quirky 21-year-olds say, what? I probably will pick one of these up again, just because I know where the proceeds are going to. This is a 10 out of 10. This I will be getting again. Let's go home, let's clean out my fridge, and let's try some more food, because I'm excited. We're back. We've honestly never been better. I'm a little hungry, so we could be better. This needs to go in the fridge. My babies. We're gonna try some vegan jerky and cauliflower pretzels. But first, I'm just gonna put all of this away. Actually, no, I have to clean out my fridge first. Let's do that. Oh gosh. Oh no. Now, this is what we're looking at. We have drinks. This is like kind of my breakfast stuff. Red wine and beer and champagne. There's a random bottle of syrup in there. Yes, the celery drawer. And then I have some random fruits and veggies in here, and I'll just fill those up. Now it's time to really unpack. I'm excited. Oh yeah, so these are just like some mixed greens, and this is kind of what I'll put in like wraps or something. Oh, we have a salad mix, and I'm gonna make a salad as soon as I'm done. Okay, next up, I actually got some sweetened teas. I got some potatoes. I got some shredded carrots just because I want to put this with some avocado in the salad right after this. It sounds really good. I got some reusable sandwich bags. Yes, I got a couple different teas I wanted to try mango ginger, this bedtime tea. And then I love Newman's because it says 100% of the profits to charity. So I was like, okay, yeah, for sure. I got some Sprouts. I got this keto green superfood smoothie kit, this, and then I also got this keto chocolate chai. We have the creamy peanut butter filled pretzels. If you guys haven't tried these before, please try them. Jalapeno lime late July snacks. Oh my gosh. I got these like 2 different types of like keto cereals, maple waffle and peanut butter. They just sounded really good. Got some frozen mangoes. These are some fun sauces. I got this spinach artichoke bitchin' sauce, which I think will just be good with the tortilla chips. And then I also just got some hummus. I got some almond butter I wanted to try because this will be good on just bread, maybe with bananas or something. I got these like cauliflower stalks. They're cheddar flavors. I'm not going to be able to try all of these, but give this video a thumbs up if you want me to do what I eat in a day and try more. Potato chips, barbecue. I got this balsamic vinaigrette dressing because I wanted this with the salad today. I've been wanting to try vegan cheese for a while. I got Parmesan, mozzarella, and queso fresco. I've had these before, but these are the dark chocolate coconut, like gluten-free protein balls, and they're just good snacks. Ginger, spicy brew, little drinks, because I feel like these would be good mixies to make the little mixed drink with these. I got some tortillas, so maybe I'll make the quesadillas tonight. And then I got some bread and some blueberry sparkling water, which I will stock the fridge with this right before Ellie comes because she loves her sparkling water. And I might even go get some LaCroix because I know she really likes LaCroix, but I'll make sure it's stocked for her because my girl loves her sparkling. We both love our sparkling water. Next, I'm gonna make us a salad and we're gonna taste test some of the things that I already talked about. Yeah. Alright, I'm kind of really curious about the peanut butter filled ones. I'm gonna link down literally all these snacks. I feel like it should be a thing where we try new snacks together. And if you guys have snacks that you really want me to try, please suggest some. Okay, cool. Let's try this. Wow. I would say a 10 out of 10. Now we're gonna try the cauliflower pretzel twists. You can definitely taste the cauliflower. I don't think it's bad, but you can definitely taste it. All right, let's try teriyaki. I'm not gonna lie, like the texture is super interesting. It feels like you're just biting into like a dried fruit snack, but like the seasoning is like beef jerky. I'm gonna finish my salad. I'll see you next. Maybe for dinner. I finished this whole bag of vegan jerky. And a good amount of those pretzels.